Good morning, Ikers class. Today we just finished the 1.3 notes on exponents and multiplying by numbers that end in 0. Can you multiply exponents?
Yes.
Can you multiply numbers that end in 0?
Yes.
Class, we know factors are the answers to what kind of problem? Say again?
Multiplication.
All right, I expect everyone to answer. Make sure you remember that. We know a power, or I taught you, maybe we didn't know this. A power is a number with an exponent. And I taught you that an exponent is a little tiny number. And I taught you a base is a big number. Now, what does that look like? Right here is what it looks like. This whole thing, 2 to the power of 5, is our power, right? Say power. Power. Now, a power is broken up into a couple of different parts. The little tiny number is the... Say that again.
Exponent.
And the big number is the...
Base.
What's more bossy, the exponent or the base?
Exponent.
The exponent tells the base how many times to multiply itself, right?
Yes.
So 2 to the power of 5, it's not 2 times 5, right? It's not that. It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, yes or no?
Yes.
We good with that?
Yes.
All right, standard form would be really compact. It's just like the answer or the problem, right? Expanded form is stretched out. It's longer, right? We'll show you some examples of that in a second. Question. If you're multiplying numbers that end in 0, what two numbers do we what numbers do we multiply first? Yes, good job, the non-zero numbers. So in this example, are 9 and 1 the non-zero numbers?
Yes.
Do we have a number that ends in 0?
Yes.
Yeah, so if we multiply 9 times 1, what is it?
9.
So we write down our 9, yes?
Yes.
And then how many zeros are left over to add on?
1.
Boom. Now 9 times 1,000 is something I wouldn't expect you to know in your brain. However, I think we can do it without even writing it on paper. My non-zero numbers are again 9 and 1, right?
Yes.
So I write down 9. And then how many zeros do I add on?
3.
So my final answer is what?
9,000.
So here is the direction for solving with numbers that end in a 0. Moving on. We already talked about what a power was, what an exponent, and what a base was, right?
Yes.
We already talked about that if you have 4 to the power of 3, I should be up here. The exponent tells the base how many times to multiply itself, yes?
Yes.
So it's actually 4 times 4 times 4, yes or no?
Yes.
Because the 3 is the boss, and it tells the base how many times to multiply itself. Yes?
Yes.
The long stretched out version is called what form?
Expanded form.
And if it's the question or the problem and it's really compact or really tight together, that's called what kind of form?
Standard form.
The standard form can also be the answer too, right?
Yes.
We have a strategy for solving word problems. The strategy is read, reread, and put in your own words. Is that true or is that false?
True.
I want you to repeat that after me again. Our strategy for solving word problems is read,
Read.
reread,
Reread.
and put in your own words.
Put your own words.
That's how we are going to solve word problems, yes or no?
Yes.